Alright, hey everybody, we are here, I am here with a bunch of people at Griffith Park. We're here for a big Nerf War, so everybody's bringing in a bunch of Nerf guns. I got my Nerf fist and my Nerf sidearm here, and got a bunch of other guns up there. And basically it's just a big Nerf War where tons of people have come out, a bunch of Nerf guns, Nerf weapons, Nerf swords, all kinds of stuff. And we're just going to shoot at each other and have a lot of fun. So let's see how that goes. Alright, so we're here at the old zoo at Griffith Park, and this is ridiculous. People are like full on crazy about this Nerf War. There are a ton of people here, ton of weapons. Take a look. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty crazy. I'm excited. This is going to be nuts. It's really windy today, so we'll see how that affects shooting and everything else.
It doesn't really work. I'm just going to throw darts in my hand. Who are those people? I only asked because last time we did this, which was my favorite time we did this, because keep in mind, up until last time, it wasn't open to the public. It wasn't possible.
Here's Mikey Pizzle. What's your strategy today?
Run and gun? I don't know. I got no strategy. There's no cover here, so it's just find someone that's bigger than me, put them in front of me, hopefully they take a bullet, throw them away, and fire.
This is all Team Black right here. Check out our crate of extra weapons we have here.
Yep, taking out.
Damn.
It's going to be a good time.
I know, I'm glad it.
Roy's not working? Everybody points me at where we are not going.
Right here.
Somebody says, hey, where's my picnic area?
Right here indeed.
Like the wristband, that's genius.
Russian.
Got you, buddy.
That's your guys' fucking
Because if they lie, they're going to come this way.
Watch. See?
Oh!
Head's coming around!
So there are a lot of darts flying all over the place.
Who needs ammo?
Real bad. Come on, guys! We're getting up!
Push him back!
Green. Keep going to green! Go!
ER being.
All right. Oh no!
Oh god, that was awesome. Get Blaze of Glory move.
Yeah, I'm up there too.
Oh shit! Huh? Hey buddy, I'm still alive! Yo. Ah!
get hit in the both legs. Green got hit in the leg if she's not dead.
Oh, I don't like this myth book you guys gonna give me. Yeah, it's green. You need to shoot him and go, myth busted. When he comes back as a zombie. Oh my god, stop!